Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing a baseline so you know what to change. Spend 3 days tracking screen time and label which apps steal focus. This tells you where to cut. Next, remove non-essential alerts and schedule Do Not Disturb for work, meals, or sleep so interruptions stop driving behavior. Finally, set 2 to 3 phone-free zones and pick one daily 30 to 60-minute device-free block. Starting deliberately creates immediate friction and makes reduction sustainable. Once done with setup, you replace reactive screen time with intentional alternatives so cravings fade. When you feel the urge, switch to a short walk, 15-45 minutes of reading, or a hobby. Physical activity and novelty reduce urge-driven checking. Make app limits firm. Set 1 to 2 hour daily caps on social and entertainment apps, so automatic blocks trigger after you hit them. Also batch communications. Check email and messages only 2 to 4 times daily to stop constant context switching and save. To finish, you lock in maintenance and learn to recover from setbacks. Track weekly. Aim to reduce total screen time by 20 to 40% and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Make incremental adjustments. If limits cause stress, loosen them. If they are too weak, tighten specific app caps. If you relapse, run another 3-day audit to find trigger moments, then simplify rules. Fewer, stricter habits beat many complex ones. Keep one troubleshooting tip. When stuck, reduce choices and reintroduce friction immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.